Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you guys how to start selling ebooks online and start making some couple of naira at home at comfort of your zone. You don't actually need a laptop. All you need is your mobile phone and a data connection. So as you can see, I already made 12 sales in total with an amount of 8,000 naira. So you can see this is not actually a screenshot. You can see this. I'm just gonna refresh this again. You can see it loading. So you can see this is Selar website. So this is the total amount I made, 1,000 naira. So I'm gonna walk you guys through how to set up your account real quick. So let's get started. Once you visit selar.co, it will take you to something like this, and then you click on don't have an account. You click on create one for free, and you may also decide to use your Google account, which is something I do. So you click on create one for free. Once you click on it, it will take you to a dashboard, as you can see, something like this. So all you have to do is to fill in your details, your first name, your first name. So let's say I'm just gonna fill this Daniel, and then your last name, then your email address as well. Then you enter your password, and then you confirm your password again. And it says your password must be at least 8 characters, must contain a letter, must contain a number. So you confirm the password, you click on accept. Right here it will take, and then you click on create account. So for people who want to use their Google account, which is something I do, you click on sign up with Google. So once you click on sign up with Google, it will ask you to log into your Google account. But so I already did that for myself. Just click on the Google account you actually want to use. So when you click on it, you let it load, and it will take you to your dashboard. So as you can see, I have 4 products in total. And another thing about this is that actually I did not run any ad for any of my products. I actually listed them on Seller, and I gave the affiliate marketers access to my product in order for them to promote the product, and I gave it a 50% commission, which means when they make a sales, they take 50% of it. So you can see I listed this for 1,000 naira, I listed for 2,000 naira, I listed for 1,000 naira, I listed it for 500 naira. You see, I made it 3 sales in total for this 8 year and 1 year. So though for this one with the 8 sales, it was actually 500 naira before. So when the sales reached 5, I decided to increase the price to 1,000 naira. And also another thing about Seller is that when you make a sales, your customer email address and if possible phone number, your customer details will be given to you, like the email address, which you can also use as your email list. You can use in building your email list, sending emails to your customers as when you release a new ebook. So now once your account is all set up, you now come right here and click on add a product. So I'm going to teach you guys how to add a product to your Seller account, and also how to give affiliate marketers access to your product. So we talk about that before the end of the video. So now it says select a product type to proceed. You can sell physical product, you can sell digital product, ticket, subscription, service, course, stream online video, audio, membership course, flexible subscription. So let's go with this digital product because we sell in eBooks. So you click on next, then it will take you to where to enter your ebook details. So as you can see, this is everything. Choose everything right here. So this first place, you drag in the image of the product you are selling. You click on it, and then it will automatically upload. You come right here and then you name your product. You write the name of the product. This is actually making friends as an adult for dummies. So that's actually the name of this book, and this book talks about how to make how to make a friend as an adult. So you enter the price. So I'm just gonna enter the price on USD because the target audience for this ebook are actually the Europeans or the Americans. So just gonna say list the book. Though the actual price I actually want to sell this book is $10 because I checked the price of my competitors on Amazon and it cost $15. I'm saying $20, but I would list it for $5 at first. The reason why I'm listing for $5 first is to get a review because I need a review. That's actually what I did for all my ebooks. I give them low price. When I give them low price, people buy and they leave a review. So the review they left there is what will make new customers to be interested in that book. So after making like 5 to 10 sales, or maybe if I'm able to gather like 3 reviews early, then I will increase the price back. So now it says description. Just paste the description of your book. You paste it right here. So you come here and choose a category. So since it's about friendship, so you choose love and relationship, and you can choose dating zone here. So you come in, and so in this area it talks about if you want the file to be downloadable or people should read the file online. So I think the product, by clicking on just drag and drop a product file. Once you click on it, you go to your document. So this is the PDF of the book I actually want to sell. So all I will do is click on the ebook and then it will upload the file. So as you can see, we are good to go. Then you click on create product. Okay, the file is still uploading. Okay, let's wait for it to upload. And then you have to enter the description. So I'm just gonna write some stuff there and then edit that later. So as you can see, we are done. It's done uploading. The ebook has been uploaded. You click on create product and then here it is. We are good to go. So this is product. Congratulations, your product has been added. So now about the affiliate marketing stuff. So now if you click on this link given to you, you can be able to view your product. This is actually the link the link you will put on your social media if you want to promote on social media. So this is exactly how it looks like. You can see customers can leave a review and if they click on buy now, it will ask for their name, email address, phone number, and then they pay. So that's just how it is. So now back to the affiliate marketing. How to make it enable for affiliate marketers to be able to promote your product. So you come here and click on all products. Once you click on all products, you'll be able to see all your product right here. So okay, so you click on this three dot icon right here, and then you will see publish to affiliate network. So you click on publish to affiliate network. That will make your book be available on the affiliate marketplace, where affiliate marketers will be able to see your product and then they promote the product. So though it takes reviews, sometimes it's rejected, because I remember there are some of my ebooks that I actually try to put on the affiliate marketing platform, but it was rejected because I have no sales. So some product, it will sometimes ask you that it will tell you you need to make a sales at least before it can be added there, just for seller to confirm that your book actually worth being on the affiliate market platform. So what I do is to give my affiliate marketers 50% commission. As you can see, the 50% commission. So as you can see, and then I click on publish. So you just wait for it to go. So that's it. As you can see, it says your application is pending. It typically take 48 to 72 hours to review your product. You receive an email once your product is approved. So that's just how easy it is to set up your seller account, upload the product, and also apply for the affiliate network. So thank you guys. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you can click the subscription button and put on the notification bell. Thank you.